Hi, today we're going to have a good time. We're going to make some Dutch oven goulash. And what we're going to do first is I'm going to actually cook the hamburger just in my cast iron skillet on my camp stove here. So we got that going. And then I got my briquettes lit here. I'm going to use my electric charcoal starter here. So we're going to do this. I'm going to get this going. Once that starts cooking a little bit, I'm going to put 3 cloves of garlic in there. And then when that's done, then we're going to go to the part where we put it all together in the Dutch oven, and we're going to get this goodness cooking. So we'll get this hamburger going, and we'll see you back. Okay, the ground beef's doing good. If you want to do this step just in your Dutch oven, just set it on like 15 or 20 coals to brown your ground beef. Okay, we're ready to put this together. The ground beef's all done, and I have it in the Dutch oven here. I'm using a 12-inch Dutch oven, and I'm going to add all these ingredients, and then we're going to get it up to a simmer. So I think I'm going to start out at like 400 degrees in the Dutch oven. So the 12-inch Dutch oven, I have 10 under the bottom, and we'll do 18 on top. Once it gets simmering, I'll probably pull 2 or 3 off just to bump the temperature down so it's not too hot, but I just want to keep it boiling for 15 minutes or so, and then we're going to go to the next step. But what we have is we're going to do 2 cans of tomato sauce. 2 of those. And then 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Oh yeah. And then we want Italian seasoning, so we made our own flip on Italian seasoning. Jenny did some thyme, oregano, basil, and parsley flakes, and then we have 2 bay leaves. So I'll put that in there, like that. And then 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I have it all in the line, that way I don't forget, huh? Jenny?
Yep.
Yep. A little salt. And then after you can salt and pepper it to taste, put a little pepper. And then 3 cups of water. So like I said, I'm going to put about 18, maybe even 20 briquettes just so I can get this simmering, and then we'll punch the heat down a little bit, and then let it simmer for like 15 minutes. So we'll see you back. Okay, here we go. This thing's been going for like 15 or 20 minutes. Oh, look at that. So it's simmering good. What I did was I wanted to add, like I said, 10 briquettes. There was 10 briquettes under the bottom, but I put like 12 more, so there's like 20 something briquettes under there. I'm like, let's get this thing cooking good. And then I even threw them a little bit more on the top. That was simmering good. So we have 2 cups of noodles. It's usually elbow macaroni in goulash, but we had a half a cup of elbow macaroni. Macaroni. Okay, and so we're gonna do some shells.
And macaroni.
And yeah. So 2 cups of that. And so I'm just going to leave the 20 plus briquettes, 22 I think's under there. I'm going to leave that, but I'll watch it. And then we have like 20 on top. So we're going to simmer this for like 20 or 25 minutes. And then we'll go to the next step. So we'll see you back. Okay, another 10 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes since we put the noodles in, but let's take a look. Oh yeah. Okay, let's try this out. It smells delicious. Ooh. Okay. What do you think there, Jenny?
Yeah, looks good.
It could set up maybe a little bit more, but I think it's good. So let's try this. Oh, yeah, that's good. Okay, let's try this goulash. Dutch oven goulash. Here on a cold winter day. It's like 30, 20, something cold. The wind's blowing.
It's 36 degrees.
Here in Lava Hot Springs.
November 20th.
Good times cooking in the outdoors. This is delicious.
Or November 30th, yeah.
November 30th. Okay. That is so good. Wow, I can, yeah. So, here you go. Dutch oven goulash. I hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.